So I'm here today with the lovely Miss Kellyanne.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
All right, that's good. We're gonna improve upon that. And this woman is athletic, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Like she is strong. I think she's stronger than me.
I don't know.
She's super strong. She could do gymnastic moves I can't even dream of. I'm working on it. So what we're gonna do with her is we're gonna adjust her pelvis and then her lower back. And when you're putting your body under stress, be it in gymnastics or sitting at a desk all day or hunching over a table like somebody, your pelvis can go out of alignment, the lower back as well. So we're gonna lift your hips up here, Kellyanne, up a little higher. Let it go. And then we're gonna breathe in nice and deep. And out. Excellent. And then we're gonna go here in the lower back, breathe in and out. Shoulders relax. Wow, super tight down there. But we got it, we got movement, we got alignment, good job.